These last 2 years have been a stepping stone for every IT company, actually every sector. And after the pandemic or during the pandemic as well, pandemic is not still over. So I must say, during these 2 years of pandemic, companies have realized that they really need to step up their game, and they really need to transform their whole IT organization. And that in turn resulted into a lack of skilled employees, and they really need a lot of skilled labor, skilled people who can do the job. And that's why, even if you are not having a computer science degree, you can still start your career in IT. And that's why I'm coming here with top 10 certifications to do in 2022. I'm not talking about only certifications, but I have categorized top 10 fields in IT to get the certifications, and then you can choose one of those fields. About me, I'm Nitesh Sharma, Azure Solutions Architect and software developer. I'm your host. Number 10, I put web development. A few years ago, web development used to be top 5, and it has slipped to top 10 now. This field is really interesting still, and is still boosting. Still, a lot of companies required, they need to transform themselves digitally, and that's why. And also because of pandemic, the requirement to transform themselves digitally was really high. And it has few roles like front end, back end infrastructure, full stack designer, front end technologies or languages are used like HTML, Angular, Vue.js, backend .NET, Java, infrastructure on premises and cloud. Cloud is cloud providers are Azure, Amazon Web Service, and Google Cloud Provider. Full stack is including everything, and designer is designing your website. A few certifications you might consider are Certified Web Professional by IWA, Master Certified Web Professional, Designer by IWA, a Software Development Professional by IEEE, JavaScript Development Certified Professional by Learning Tree, and most of during by doing these certifications, you will actually learn how to develop a website. So it's not only just doing the certifications and you get the job, but you can also get start with IT. Number 9 is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is really in demand these days because a lot of hacking attempts are done, and companies are facing a lot of problem because of that. Uh, so companies has to tighten up their security, and for that they need really skilled labor. And few certifications you can do are certified ethical hacker, CISM, CompTIA, CISSP, GSAC, SCA, GPAN. These certifications can really ensure your knowledge, and you can get start with cybersecurity. Eighth I put is RPA, robotic process automation. There are few providers: UiPath, Blue Prism, Appian, and RPA is really the easiest one to get start with because um, uh, it's sometimes just drag and drop. Let me make it normal. So if I go to UiPath, you will see it has certifications, and you have different type of certifications. You have certified RPA developer track, you have general track, and you have label associate and advanced. You easily can do this, and then you can really start with RPA. RPA helps a lot to the companies who are doing a lot of repetitive work, and they just want to get rid of this repetitive work by automatizing this work with the help of some tools. So this is something you can really consider and get started with. Um, Number 7 is Agile or Scrum. Agile Scrum, it has these days increasing, and demand is also increasing, and you don't really have to be from IT background, and you can easily switch to IT background actually using this. Sometimes there are jokes about the Scrum Master because what he's doing in the team, well, that's something else. But few certifications you can think about depending on your interest: Scrum Master track, Product Owner track, and Developer track. And these three tracks involve like Certified Scrum Developer, Advanced Certified Scrum Developer, Certified Scrum Professional for developers. And then you have Certified Scrum Product Owner, and same Advanced and Professional. You have Certified Scrum Master, Advanced and Certified Professional then. And these three tracks can give you really a boost to your career as well. Number 6 is PMP certification, which is project management professional. You need to differentiate between Agile, Scrum certifications and PMP certifications. PMP certifications are a bit advanced, and they are in management, and Agile Scrum is kind of management of the team, and making sure the team is not stuck and functioning well. So basically for the developers, making removing all the obstacles. So just uh, clarify yourself and make the differentiation between PMP certification and Agile Scrum certifications. PMP certifications might be Project Management Professional, CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, PMI, PBA, Professional in Business Analysis, PGMP, Program Management Professional. And these all certifications involve three things: people, process, business environment. This is totally different than Agile Scrum. Please search yourself and check for this. This is not, these are not the same thing. But these days you can easily get started with these two fields, and it's not really different. So, and the fifth is big data analytics. This is really going crazy, and every company is trying to do data analytics, because with data analytics they get insights into their organization, and they get new ways to do things, and they get new ways to earn money. And so every company is trying to do data analytics these days, and the technologies they are using are generally Apache Hadoop, Spark, MongoDB, ClickView, Kafka, ClickSense, Tableau, Cassandra. These are one of few of the technologies, but there are a lot more. um, I just involved Apache here, but you also have other means of data analysis. If I talk about certifications, then you have Associate Certified Analytics Professional, Certification of Professional Achievement in Data Science, Certified Analytics Professional, Cloudera Data Platform Generalist, EMC Proven Professional Data Scientist Associate, IBM Data Scientist, Data Science Professional, Microsoft Certified Azure Data Scientist, Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, SAS Certified Data Scientist. So these are few of the certifications you can do to get started with data analytics. You also have some courses from Google for free. So you can, if you search for Grow with Google, you will find these analytics certifications. and get started with this field. Digital marketing. This thing is really going crazy. It has been always there, but the target and the way of doing digital marketing is changing drastically. And these days, most of the time, social media is taking over, and even for the TVs, it's going to web content, and that's why you have these certifications for digital marketing: LinkedIn digital marketing certificate, PCM digital marketing, Facebook blueprint certification, Google ads marketing certification, YouTube certification, Google analytics certification. And these globally recognized brands are providing certifications, and using those certifications you can just get start with it. Yeah, and companies are really looking for it. The third is data science. You can still get started with data science. Generally, you do a master in data science and then you can get started with it. But still, you can do. Doesn't matter. You if you do one of these certifications, you can still get started with the data science. Oracle certified business intelligence, Amazon data science certificate by Harvard, Cloudera certified professional, certified associate, Microsoft certified solution expert, SaaS Academy for data science. These are few of the data science certifications. Well, you need to differentiate between data science and data analytics. Data analytics is analyzing that data, and data science is basically going deeper and providing way of doing some analysis of the data. So it also involves some machine learning. Then we come to the second point: AI and machine learning. Um, AI and machine learning is growing day and night. I was confused in putting this on number two or number one. I will talk about the number one candidate later, but I put it on second. Still, data AI and machine learning is still growing and might be on number one next year, but this year I put them on number second. Machine learning by Stanford University. You can do this course on Coursera. Deep learning specialization by Andrew Ng. You can do this on Coursera. IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate, Coursera again. And so there are a lot of online courses you can do and then get certified and then get start your career in AI and machine learning. Really interesting one. And if you really want to do deep AI and machine learning, so really basics, get started with basics, then you really need to do a degree in it, because these days there are a lot of fake AI and machine learning engineers, but they are not, because what they do is just use the existing algorithms and existing models and just train them, modify a little bit and use them. But that's not AI and machine learning. In AI and machine learning, you need to understand the basics. Well, but if you are new to this field, well, this is not bad to get started with these certifications and then advance your career, of course. And the first one is cloud computing. I put it on first one. It could go to second as well, but I think cloud computing is for now on first one because of digital transformation. So every company is trying to do the digital transformation, and along with digital transformation, they are also shifting towards cloud. They want to migrate to cloud, and that is why last year and all the cloud providers were in huge profit, and all other companies were in loss. So all the cloud providers like Google, Microsoft, AWS, all of them, they made a lot of huge profit. And here are a few certifications you can do. Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals. This is just the beginner course. You start with this. If you want to start with Azure, start with fundamentals, and then you do either if you want to go in administrator side, then you go do administrator associate, otherwise you developer associate. And then you can do a solution architect expert, which involves two certifications, 303, 304. You have AWS certified sysops administrator, and you also have Google certified professional cloud architect. So there are a lot other certifications for cloud computing, and I will create a separate video for that. And that's why I will explain each field with the specific certifications you can do. But this was an overview of fields and along with certifications you can do in 2022 to get start with IT, but also to advance your career in IT. I can assure you, by just doing these certifications, if you even if you're working in IT already, you can increase your salary by 5 to 10% easily. You can easily negotiate, and this is just minimum I'm saying, but people are increasing by 20% or 30%. That's for the genius. Well, till then, enjoy and keep watching, and thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. Thanks. Bye.